Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my first product that got me my first ever sale, and I'm also gonna be going through how I found that product and what I did to get that sale. But before we start, a like rating would be much appreciated. Let's try to go for 5 likes, and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So a little bit of backstory here. This is the same store I used for my Shopify challenge, and as you guys saw, I didn't get a single sale from that. So I was looking for products to sell on that store before my subscription ended, and that's how I came across this product, which is the moon lamp. As you guys can see, it was being advertised on Instagram through Facebook ads, not through Instagram influencers, and I kept seeing the same ad and I saw a lot of likes on it, so I knew this product was successful because it kept being advertised. So that's when I decided that I'm gonna sell this product. I went to AliExpress and saw the numbers on it. So here's the supplier I chose. Before, when I searched up moon lamp, this didn't pop up, so I didn't know it had 24,000 sales. Otherwise I wouldn't have sold it because it's too saturated. I only saw this product and it had, like, at that time 5,000 sales, and it was getting crazy amount of sales. So I'm like, this is a trending product and it could sell really well. So once I found the product, I tried to look for influencers in the space niche or in the astrology niche, but I couldn't find any because I wasn't really that experienced, and I'm not sure if there are a lot of influencer promoting space. So I decided that I'm gonna do Facebook ads because I saw people doing it and they were successful, which was the wrong route to take because they probably sold it to Instagram influencers and then made lookalike audience to sell more. But I just wanted to get a sale, so that's why instead of not selling this product, I decided to do Facebook ads. So here's the ad that I used, introducing Lunar 11, a beautiful moon lamp perfect for your loved one. So it was Valentine's Day, so I used that as an excuse to get 50% off and free shipping. And here's the other ad that I used. This one is really simple. I just said introducing Lunar 11, learn more, just so people click my link and actually learn more. And then once they press learn more, they'll see the sale and all the product description. And here's the last ad said, this moon lamp is just lovely, available here, 50% off. And out of all those ads, this one had the highest relevance score, and it was I believe 10. So that's the highest one you can get, and I was pretty happy about that, but I couldn't get a sale. So then later on I decided that I'm gonna switch it to video instead of photo because I heard it converts better. And as soon as I changed it into a video, the very next day in school at 8 a.m. I got my first sale. I was pretty hyped about it. This was my first sale online, and she bought the most expensive option, which was for $55, and I bought it for $20. So right away I made a profit of $33, I believe, and I was pretty hyped about that because that was a huge profit margin, and because usually you make a profit of $10 to $20. However, this was a high ticket item and I made $33, so I was pretty hyped about it. And that's when I thought to myself, this is it, I'm gonna get more sales now, because since I already got one sale in less than 12 hours of changing into a video. And by the way, I got the video from Facebook. I know that's not recommended because you can get a copyright strike. However, I saw it being used in every platform and being advertised by other companies. So I'm like, let me try it myself. I didn't want to use it for a long time. I just wanted to see if it works. So that's why I decided I'm gonna run it for maybe 3 or 2 days just to see what happens. So after I got my first sale, I was pretty hyped about it, and I thought to myself, this is it, now I'm gonna get more sales. Unfortunately, after that I didn't get a single sale, and I'm not sure why. And then after 4 days I decided that I'm gonna close down the store and the ad because I don't want to lose money. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's the story of how I got my first sale. And one more thing, this product was really saturated, but again, I didn't know that it was saturated because I was just looking at the second supplier who had like 5,000 orders. If I knew this product had more than 20,000 followers, I would have never jumped into it because it was too saturated. And that's gonna wrap it up here, guys. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. And again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss a video. I'm trying to make a video every single day. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.